Okay, welcome to my Rockwood A122 camper, and this is my Red Oxx camping adventure. Over here I used to have this great big giant white pantry that was made out of plastic. The material made me kind of queasy when I touched it. It made the hair on my arm stand up. It was enormous. It prevented you from laying with your head that way on the bed and seeing over here to the table where I usually set a laptop and watch some YouTube or something. So the cool thing about this is I got one of those expensive carabiner clips that twist and turn. So during the day, I can turn it in this direction, kind of keep it out of my way. When I'm cooking or sleeping, I'll just twist it this way and it'll be out of my way as well. It's also a roll-up bag, so I can also take it down and roll it up and just throw it in the corner over here, kick it underneath the couch or whatever. There's a table that goes here, but I just don't have it set up at the moment. It turns into a bench. The one thing I lost with the big white pantry hanging was the ability to store a lot of clothes. So I got the black Red Oxx Aviator Kit Bag, which I've got all my clothes in. That can go in the back of the truck. Heck, when you're changing clothes or socks when you're camping, you don't do it a whole lot. You go out in the woods and get dirty and stuff, and you might change clothes once or twice, but I can kick it under the table, get it out of the way. And then for everyday carry, I believe this bag was called the Hound. I've got a great big gigantic knife in there, possibly a firearm. What else have I got in there? Great big flashlight, a watch maybe, stuff like that, just everyday carry items that you need to survive out in the woods. So welcome to my Red Oxx camping adventure. This is my little A122 Rockwood pop-up A-frame camper, sink, 3-burner stove, refrigerator, microwave, cable TV hookup down here in the corner. It's got a water pump for the sink, that little switch there. Up underneath there's a distribution panel and a furnace. You can maybe just barely see the furnace, maybe not. And a storage compartment or two. Also, it's got a little AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, which I hardly ever use, and a thermostat. One of the last things I did for my camping adventure before I went out this time was I installed a second battery on here. So welcome to my weekend.